What you can't see can cost you everything. Outdated video surveillance systems don't just look bad, they put your people, property, and reputation at risk. Blurry footage, missed incidents, high maintenance costs, and cybersecurity vulnerabilities add up to real-world losses. Symmetry CompleteView provides a powerful video management solution built to protect what matters most. Crystal clear video quality ensures you capture every critical detail. Advanced search tools help you find what you need fast. Seamless integrations with access control and analytics strengthen your entire security ecosystem. Automated cybersecurity updates and health monitoring keep your system protected and online. And our scalable architecture means Symmetry CompleteView grows with your business without growing your costs. Don't let outdated technology hold you back or leave you exposed. Future-proof your security with Symmetry CompleteView. Symmetry CompleteView, modern security for a world that never stops moving.